The last video in this class is going to talk to you about what to expect in 397 or 495. Basically, you will be expecting about the same thing with just a reduced number of hours that you have to complete for each course. For a 3-credit class, you'll need to complete 105 hours. For a 6-credit course, you'll need to complete 210. For a 9-credit 495, you'll need to complete 315. And for a 12-credit, you will need to complete 420. At the completion of each of a certain deadline, you will need to submit some things to classes. This is an older template of a class that I taught for 495. In the first couple of weeks, you're going to do 2 things. You will submit a discussion post 1 week, and then the following week, you will submit your time card. And as you can see throughout the semester, there will be a new post the next week, and you will submit a time card the following week. And then another post and a time card, and this will go on throughout the entire semester. At one point during the semester, you will have your supervisor complete a midterm evaluation on you. This will be approximately when we are midway through the entire semester. But please note, you will still need to complete a discussion post and a time card during those 2 weeks. The only other assignment that you will have to submit is a revised resume. And this will be revised from your 490 class, as well as it should include whatever you have done at your internship site. The very last week of class, you will need to submit a final supervisor evaluation, your evaluation of the internship, and your final time card that has all accumulated hours on it. So the last time card, I should be able to see that you either completed 105 hours, 210, 315, or 420 hours on one sheet of paper. As you can see, this was for 495. For those of you enrolled in 397, it will be based more on the hours that you will be working. So for this particular class, I only had one student who was taking 3 credits. So I had, after the first 10 hours, you completed this. After the second 10 hours, you completed this. After hours 30, you completed this. After hours 40, you completed that. So as you can see, it's going to be based more on the amount of hours that you're at the site. And I will have an individual site for those people who are enrolled in 3 credits, 6 credits, 9 credits, or 12 credits. And you'll be able to see all of those as well. The 9 and 12 credit hours are usually $4.95, so they have their own Moodle site. But for the 3 and 6 credit, and sometimes 9 credit in 397, you will be enrolled in your own group, and you'll be able to see that information. So I hope this answers any questions you have. Again, in this class, you're still going to need to do the final and mid evaluation and the student evaluation and the time card, but I don't think I require the midterm evaluation because there's just not a whole lot of hours. If you have any questions, you can reach out to me. I hope you have a wonderful day.